Title: Hello, students. Welcome to our presentation on Exploring Ocean Acidification, the Impact of Human Activities on Our Oceans. Today, we will dive into the fascinating world of oceans and understand how our actions can influence these vast bodies of water. Introduction. As you may know, oceans play a crucial role in the Earth's ecosystem. They provide us with food, regulate our climate, and are home to a diverse range of marine life. However, there's a critical issue we need to address: ocean acidification. This is a process where the oceans become more acidic due to the absorption of carbon dioxide. So, let's embark on this journey to unravel the mysteries of ocean acidification and explore its implications. What is ocean acidification? To comprehend ocean acidification, we must first understand its basic science. Ocean acidification occurs as seawater absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This increased absorption results in a decrease in the pH of the oceans. We'll delve into the pH scale, a measure of acidity, and learn about its significance in determining the health of marine environments. So, buckle up as we unravel the science behind this complex yet vital process. pH scale. Today, we'll take a closer look at the pH scale, a tool that helps us measure acidity. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Values below 7 indicate acidity, while values above 7 indicate alkalinity. Oceans are slightly basic, but due to human activities like burning fossil fuels, they are becoming more acidic. Understanding the pH scale is crucial as it provides insights into the health of our oceans and the impact of human-induced changes on marine life. Natural versus human-induced acidification. Let's explore the sources of acidity in oceans. While some acidity is natural, human activities significantly contribute to increased acidity. The burning of fossil fuels releases large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and a substantial portion of it is absorbed by the oceans. This human-induced acidification poses a threat to marine ecosystems. In this section, we'll examine the balance between natural and human-induced factors and their implications for ocean health. Consequences of ocean acidification. As we move forward, we'll uncover the consequences of ocean acidification on marine life. Shell-forming organisms, like certain types of plankton, corals, and mollusks, face challenges in forming and maintaining their protective shells and skeletons. Visual aids will help us witness the effects on coral reefs, plankton, and broader marine ecosystems. It's essential to comprehend these consequences to appreciate the urgency of addressing and mitigating the impact of ocean acidification. Case studies. To illustrate the real-world impact of ocean acidification, we'll explore case studies that showcase instances where marine life has been affected. These examples will provide a tangible understanding of how changes in ocean chemistry can have far-reaching consequences. By examining specific scenarios, we can better grasp the urgency of taking action to protect our oceans and the diverse life they sustain. The importance of marine life. Today, we'll reflect on the vital role marine life plays in maintaining the balance of Earth's ecosystems. Oceans are home to an incredible diversity of species, from microscopic plankton to massive whales. Emphasizing the importance of marine life is key to instilling a sense of responsibility and encouraging a collective effort to preserve and protect our oceans for future generations. Solutions and actions. As we explore the challenges posed by ocean acidification, it's essential to discuss possible solutions. We'll delve into ways to mitigate and reduce ocean acidification, both on a global scale and through individual actions. From promoting sustainable practices to reducing our carbon footprint, each of us can contribute to the well-being of our oceans. So, let's discover the actionable steps we can take to make a positive impact. What can we do? To conclude, we'll focus on the practical steps each of you can take to contribute to ocean preservation. Small actions, such as reducing plastic use, supporting sustainable seafood choices, and advocating for environmental awareness, collectively make a significant difference. By understanding our role in this ecosystem, we empower ourselves to become stewards of the oceans, ensuring a healthier and more sustainable future for our planet. Conclusion. As we wrap up, let's summarize the key points we've covered today. We've journeyed through the concept of ocean acidification, explored its impact on marine life, and discussed potential solutions. Remember, each one of us has a role to play in preserving our oceans. Together, we can make a difference and ensure a healthier future for our planet.
Title: Exploring Earth's Rotation and Revolution. An Adventure into Space and Time. Good day everyone. Welcome to a captivating journey into the heart of celestial mechanics, a journey where we'll unravel the mysteries of Earth's rotation and revolution. Our title slide marks the beginning of an exciting exploration, delving into the intricate dance of our planet and its cosmic companions. Introduction. Today, we embark on a scientific odyssey to understand the dynamic forces that shape our world. The concepts of rotation and revolution are not just abstract celestial movements, they are the keys to unlocking the secrets of day and night, the changing seasons, and the rhythmic dance of celestial bodies. Join me as we journey through the cosmos. Earth's axis, 23.5 degrees. Our first destination is the Earth's axis, an imaginary line running through the north and south poles. This axial tilt, currently at 23.5 degrees, is the cosmic choreographer of Earth's seasons. As we explore this concept, imagine the Earth pirouetting through the vastness of space, influenced by this elegant tilt. Day and night formation. Picture this: Earth is like a spinning top, rotating on its axis. As different parts of our planet face the sun, we experience the dance of day and night. The sun rises in the east, casts its glow across the landscape, and sets in the west. It's a celestial ballet that repeats itself with remarkable precision every 24 hours. Time differences. Now, let's explore the fascinating concept of time zones. As Earth spins, different regions experience daylight at various times. This natural progression has led to the establishment of time zones, creating a global tapestry of interconnected clocks. It's a testament to our ability to adapt to the rhythmic pulse of our rotating planet. Rotation of the Earth. Zooming in on Earth's rotation, imagine standing at the North Pole, witnessing the Earth turn counterclockwise. This motion defines our day and night cycle. The equator experiences the fastest rotation, while the poles have a more sedate dance. It's this rotation that gives us our sense of time and rhythm. Elliptical movement and orbit. Our journey now takes us beyond Earth's daily rotation to its yearly orbit around the Sun. Earth's orbit is not a perfect circle but an ellipse, a slightly elongated path. Picture our planet gracefully moving around the Sun, akin to a celestial waltz, with the Sun at the center orchestrating the dance of planets. Revolution, 365.25 days. Let's untangle the terms, rotation, and revolution. While rotation is Earth spinning on its axis, revolution is its journey around the Sun. This grand orbit takes about 365.25 days, our definition of a year. It's a majestic celestial journey, and each year, we complete another full orbit around our life-giving star. Seasons. Explore the cosmic ballet that orchestrates Earth's changing seasons. The combination of axial tilt and revolution around the Sun creates the symphony of spring, summer, fall, and winter. Imagine Earth as a celestial ballerina twirling through space, donned in different seasonal costumes throughout the year. Moon. Shifting our focus to the night sky, let's meet our celestial companion the Moon. Despite being only a quarter of Earth's size, its gravitational pull tugs at our planet, influencing tides and even Earth's axial tilt. The Moon is not just a silent observer but an active participant in the celestial drama. Moon's revolution, 27.3 days. Join me in following the Moon's graceful dance around Earth. It takes approximately 27.3 days for the Moon to complete one orbit. As it travels through space, we witness the ever-changing phases of the Moon, each phase a snapshot of its position in the cosmic ballet. Phases of the Moon. Enter the enchanting realm of lunar phases. From the slender crescent to the brilliant full moon, the Moon showcases a captivating array of phases. These phases are a celestial calendar, marking the Moon's journey around Earth. Together, let's decipher the language of the lunar cycle. Moon's phase repeats, 29.53 days. Dive deeper into the rhythm of the lunar cycle. Over approximately 29.53 days, the Moon cycles through its phases, repeating a celestial pattern. It's a celestial clock that has fascinated sky gazers for centuries. Join me in decoding the mystery of the Moon's phase repeats. Conclusion. As we conclude our cosmic journey, reflect on the intricate dance of Earth and its companions. From the ballet of day and night to the symphony of changing seasons and the poetic phases of the Moon, each concept intertwines with the others. I encourage you to continue exploring the wonders of space and astronomy. There's always more to discover. Title. Welcome to our presentation on coral bleaching, a threat to our oceans. Today, we'll explore the critical issue of coral bleaching, its impact on marine ecosystems, and the urgent need for conservation efforts to protect our oceans. Introduction. Coral reefs are the lifeblood of our oceans, supporting an incredible diversity of marine life. As we dive into the topic of coral bleaching, it's essential to understand the fundamental role coral reefs play in maintaining the health of our oceans. They are not just beautiful underwater landscapes but complex ecosystems that sustain countless species. What is coral bleaching? Coral bleaching is a phenomenon where corals lose their vibrant colors due to the expulsion of algae living in their tissues. This seemingly simple process has profound implications for the health of coral reefs. Today, we'll unravel the intricacies of why coral bleaching occurs and what it means for the delicate balance of marine life. Why should we care? Now, you might be wondering, why should we care about coral bleaching? Coral reefs serve as habitats for a myriad of marine species, and when these ecosystems are disrupted, it reverberates throughout the entire oceanic food web. The consequences of coral bleaching extend beyond the marine world, affecting communities that depend on healthy reefs for their livelihoods. As stewards of our planet, it is our responsibility to understand, address, and actively work towards the conservation of these vital ecosystems. Causes of coral bleaching. As we delve into the causes of coral bleaching, we uncover three main factors: rising sea temperatures, pollution from chemicals and debris, and human activities such as overfishing. These stressors create unfavorable conditions for coral reefs, making them more susceptible to bleaching events. Understanding these root causes is crucial as it prompts us to reflect on our impact and consider sustainable practices to mitigate these threats. Process of coral bleaching. To comprehend the process of coral bleaching, imagine a delicate dance between corals and algae. Visualize the stress-induced expulsion of algae from coral tissues, leaving the corals vulnerable and colorless. This intricate process, though natural, is now exacerbated by human-induced environmental changes. By grasping the mechanics of coral bleaching, we gain insights into the challenges these ecosystems face and the urgency to address them. Consequences of coral bleaching. Now, let's explore the consequences. Coral bleaching results in a loss of biodiversity within coral reefs, disrupting the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. The economic impact is profound, affecting communities that rely on healthy reefs for fisheries, tourism, and coastal protection. The consequences of coral bleaching are not isolated, they ripple across the globe, underscoring the urgent need for conservation efforts to preserve these vital ecosystems. Examples of bleached coral reefs. To drive home the reality of coral bleaching, we look at examples of bleached coral reefs, such as the iconic Great Barrier Reef. Through visual representations, we witness the stark contrast between vibrant, healthy reefs and those affected by bleaching events. These examples serve as a powerful reminder of the global scope of coral bleaching and the imperative to take action to protect these natural wonders. Solutions and conservation efforts. Now, let's shift our focus to solutions. There is hope in proactive measures. By reducing our carbon footprint, supporting marine conservation organizations, and embracing responsible tourism practices, we can contribute to safeguarding coral reefs. These solutions empower us to be agents of positive change, working collectively to address the root causes of coral bleaching and promote the long-term health of our oceans. What can students do? As students, you have a crucial role to play in the conservation of coral reefs. Simple actions like reducing single-use plastic, participating in beach cleanups, and spreading awareness about coral bleaching can have a significant impact. Your involvement is not just a choice but a responsibility to protect the oceans that sustain life on our planet. Fun facts about coral reefs. Before we conclude, let's explore some fascinating facts about coral reefs. Did you know that although coral reefs cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, they support about 25% of all marine species? Discovering these facts not only adds a touch of wonder to our understanding but reinforces the importance of preserving these extraordinary ecosystems. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of coral bleaching, it's crucial to reiterate the importance of coral reefs. They are not just intricate underwater landscapes, they are essential for the health of our oceans and, consequently, our planet. The journey doesn't end here. It extends to our commitment to conservation and sustainable practices. Together, let's be stewards of our oceans. Thank you. Finally, we express our heartfelt gratitude for joining us on this journey through the world of coral bleaching. Thank you for your attention, your curiosity, and your commitment to the well-being of our oceans. As we step away from this presentation, let's carry forward the knowledge and inspiration to make a positive impact on our planet. Thank you.
Introduction. Biodiversity is the incredible variety of life on Earth, encompassing the richness of species, ecosystems, and genetic diversity. It is the product of billions of years of evolution, resulting in a complex and interconnected web of life. Understanding the importance of biodiversity is crucial in recognizing how all living organisms, including humans, are deeply interconnected. It plays a fundamental role in supporting the health and balance of ecosystems, making it vital for the well-being of our planet. What is biodiversity? Definition: biodiversity refers to the totality of life at all levels of biological organization, from the smallest genetic variation within a species to the immense variety of ecosystems on Earth. Components. Genetic diversity. This involves the variety of genes within a species, ensuring adaptability and resilience to environmental changes. Species diversity. The number and variety of different species present in a given area, providing stability to ecosystems. Ecosystem diversity. The diversity of ecosystems, each with its unique set of species and environmental conditions. Interconnectedness. All components of biodiversity are intricately connected, forming a delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. Why is biodiversity important? Ecological balance. Balance and stability. Biodiversity is essential for the balance and stability of ecosystems. The intricate relationships between species help maintain a dynamic equilibrium, preventing the dominance of one species over another. Interactions. The interactions between species, such as predator-prey relationships and symbiotic partnerships, contribute to the resilience and adaptability of ecosystems. Adaptability. Biodiversity enhances the adaptability of ecosystems to environmental changes, ensuring their ability to recover from disturbances. Economic importance. Agriculture. Biodiversity plays a crucial role in agriculture by supporting natural pollination, pest control, and soil fertility. Diverse ecosystems contribute to the genetic diversity of crops, making them more resilient to diseases. Medicine. Many pharmaceuticals are derived from the diverse array of plants, animals, and microorganisms found in nature. Biodiversity continues to be a valuable source of potential medicinal compounds. Ecotourism. Biodiversity attracts tourists interested in experiencing diverse ecosystems, contributing to local economies and promoting the conservation of natural habitats. Medicinal value. Wide range of medicines. Biodiversity provides a vast array of medicinal resources. Plants, in particular, have been a rich source of drugs for centuries, and ongoing exploration continues to unveil new potential treatments. Traditional medicine. Many cultures rely on traditional medicinal practices deeply rooted in local biodiversity. Indigenous knowledge often holds valuable insights into the use of specific plants for health and healing. Ongoing discoveries. Biodiversity exploration, especially in rainforests and other biodiverse regions, continues to yield discoveries of novel compounds with potential therapeutic applications. Food security. Role of pollinators. Biodiversity, including a variety of pollinators like bees and butterflies, is crucial for the production of fruits and vegetables. Pollinators contribute to the reproduction of many food crops. Genetic diversity in crops. Diverse ecosystems contribute to the genetic diversity of crops. This diversity is essential for breeding programs, providing resilience against diseases, pests, and changing environmental conditions. Sustainable agriculture. Biodiversity supports sustainable agricultural practices, including agroecology and permaculture, which prioritize environmental health, soil fertility, and long-term food security. Cultural and recreational value. Cultural practices. Biodiversity is deeply intertwined with cultural practices and traditions around the world. Many indigenous communities maintain strong connections to their local ecosystems, incorporating biodiversity into rituals, stories, and daily life. Recreational opportunities. Diverse ecosystems provide opportunities for recreational activities, such as hiking, birdwatching, and wildlife photography. Nature-based recreation promotes physical and mental well-being. Aesthetic value. The aesthetic value of natural landscapes, diverse ecosystems, and unique species contributes to the overall quality of life. Biodiversity adds beauty and inspiration to our surroundings. Threats to biodiversity. Habitat destruction. The widespread destruction of natural habitats, often due to activities like deforestation, urbanization, and agriculture, is a primary threat to biodiversity. This loss directly impacts the species that depend on those habitats. Pollution. Environmental pollution, including air, water, and soil pollution, poses a significant threat to biodiversity. It disrupts ecosystems, harms species, and contributes to the decline of biodiversity. Climate change. changes in climate patterns, driven by human activities, affect ecosystems globally. Rising temperatures, altered precipitation patterns, and more frequent extreme events pose challenges to species adaptation and survival. Overexploitation, unsustainable harvesting of resources, including overfishing, hunting, and logging, can deplete populations and lead to the decline or extinction of species. Conservation of biodiversity. Protected areas. Establishing and maintaining protected areas, such as national parks and reserves, is crucial for preserving biodiversity. These areas provide a sanctuary for species to thrive without the pressures of habitat destruction. Sustainable practices. Adopting sustainable practices in agriculture, forestry, and fisheries helps conserve ecosystems. This includes approaches that minimize negative impacts on biodiversity while meeting human needs. International cooperation. Given the global nature of biodiversity, international cooperation is essential. Collaborative efforts between countries and organizations aim to address transboundary issues, share knowledge, and promote conservation on a larger scale. What can we do? Individual actions. Each individual can contribute to biodiversity conservation by adopting sustainable lifestyle choices. This includes reducing waste, choosing environmentally friendly products, and minimizing the ecological footprint. Support conservation organizations. Supporting organizations dedicated to biodiversity conservation through donations, volunteering, and advocacy can amplify collective efforts on a broader scale. Raise awareness. Education and awareness are key. Sharing knowledge about the importance of biodiversity and the impact of individual and collective actions can inspire others to join the cause. Conclusion. Interconnectedness. Biodiversity underscores the interconnectedness of all living organisms. Every species, no matter how small, plays a role in the intricate web of life, contributing to the overall health and resilience of our planet. Responsibility. Recognize the shared responsibility we hold in preserving biodiversity. As stewards of the Earth, it is our duty to make choices that promote sustainability and protect the diverse life forms with which we coexist. Call to action. The preservation of biodiversity requires collective action. Encourage the audience to take an active role in supporting conservation efforts, making informed choices, and inspiring others to do the same.